Hey Bulldogs, this is Ask NU, and today we're going to be asking some Bulldog icons about their expectations for the upcoming UAAP Season 87.
So for my expectations sa university and for my team, syempre talagang lalaban at lalaban ng NU. Lalo na ngayon, kami sa team namin, maraming last playing year na. So alam po ibibigay namin yung best namin to defend the crown. Alam namin na everyone is wanting to beat us. So we will give our best and we'll work harder for it.
Hi, I'm Bichian Kalya from NU Pep Squad, and ang expectation ko this season 87, maging fair yung games ng lahat and maging safe syempre, and makuha namin yung championship this season 87. Yan.
I expect this season to be exciting, also tough. Hopefully na makuha namin yung gusto namin and ma-enjoy ko lang yung last year para sa NU community.
Ang expectation po namin this season is mag-champion kami chess girls team since last year hindi po kami nakapag-champion. So this year, since mas mabigat yung training namin, so expect po namin na mag-champion.
Yung expectation ko po kay season na to is parang more gold for the NU and more achievements for the NU gold. And looking forward po sa mas maraming championships ngayong taon pa, ngayong season 87.
My expectations sa team namin this season, maglaro kami ng together as a team. We fight for NU every game, every possession. Tapos bibigay namin lahat all throughout the season. Expected ko ngayong season is mas magiging competitive. Lalo na sa amin kasi hindi kami nagpapabaya sa tunog and hindi pwede, wala sa amin yung salitang mahina. So lahat, lalamunin namin lahat ng schools. Yun lang.
So expectation ko po this season 87 is mas stronger po and mas malakas po yung athletes namin and kami po and mas powerful po and for championship po this season 87. Yun lang po.
Expectation ko po is mag-champion kami this season po.
My expectation this season is maging consistent kami as a team and syempre manalo and mabalik yung corona. But you know, one game at a time kasi it's like 3 months tournament. Yeah.
Isa lang po yung may expect sa team po namin this season, this upcoming season. We are here to conquer. Yun lang po.
Yung expectation namin for next year is syempre bibigay lang namin yung lahat ng effort namin every game since last season na namin. Tapos parang all out na talaga. Wala na dapat itira since last playing year na namin and last season na rin. So siguro i-enjoy na lang namin yung journey namin. And mag-work hard pa rin kami.
Siguro ngayon mas yung eagerness namin to win kasi syempre wala na yung mga seniors namin. So kailangan namin patunayan na kahit wala sila is kaya pa rin namin mag-champion. Ayun.